Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can upload any file onto your Shopify store. Now, the first method that comes to mind is by going to online store here and then going on themes and then going on the three dots here and then clicking on edit code. On edit code, let you uncollapse this. Let's uncollapse this and then let's go to assets. On assets, you need to click on this plus icon to add a new asset. You can they accept CSS, images, fonts, JS, JSON, and Liquid. But uh, this is not every file type, right? So let's click out and let's click out again. So what would be the solution here? Well, let's take advantage of Shopify's app feature here. So let's click on the search bar here and then let's click on, let's type in upload, right? And then let's just search it here in Shopify App Store. Wait for it to load, wait for it to load. Now there's a lot you can pick here. I suggest you pick the one that says free and not free plan available because sometimes there's a lot of uh strings attached to it unless you have any one of the subscription they need you to buy. Now let's just keep finding a one that could be best to suit us. Give it a second. Let's see. There's media, there's easy fulfill, there's click upload, any asset. You see we're getting into Pinterest now. But if you get to the fourth one here and you don't see anyone that's uh compatible for you, let's just try any one of the one here. Let's do this one, light coat. This one, we can create customizable file and images, upload fields for your product. Amazing. Let's click on install. Let's click on install. Here you go. Now it's added. You'll see that now the app is in our app section here on Shopify. And then there's an onboarding guide you can follow here. First off, you have to enable the app embeds on your store. Let's just click on the button here and it'll automatically take us to our Shopify store right here. Wait for a second. Make sure this is turned on and then click on save here. After that, now you need to link at least one product or collection. So let's make a product. Doesn't have to be an actual product that's anything. I'm just going to make something random here. I'm going to make the price 1111 and I'm going to have like this, continue selling out the stock. There you go. Gonna click on save. Okay, great. Now let's go back. Let's view uploader. Now this is what the uploader will look like, right? And then give it a second to load. Now you'll need to have a settings as well here. If you'd like, you can customize what kind of things it says, like drop your files, upload your files, or error text. The appearance as well, you can change like the color. If I want to change the color into something random, like green, like that, you can. But of course, if you're happy, just click on save. Now let's go back. Now let's go back to View Uploader. Let's click on All Products and then let's click on Save. Let's go back to Lightcode and now it should appear in our store. Let's check it out. Online Store, Themes, Customize. Let's click on one of our products. There you go. Now we can upload our files on Shopify.